What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, it's a little different, man. I'm kind of recording this on my computer, so let's see what we got going on. So I had mentioned in one of my last videos that I had won a certificate to some kind of a build school or whatever. Well, to come to find out, it's a gift certificate at Mott Community College in Flint, and it's a Factory 5 build school. It's worth like $1,898. So I mean, man, win-win, right? $5 ticket, man. I got picked, so this thing's pretty awesome. You know what I'm saying? So shoot, man. So this is what I got. Let me get the whole thing in there. So there's two seats. So me and my wife can go, or me and my buddy can go, or we'll see if she wants to do it, man. She might be interested in it. She likes cars. She likes messing around out in the garage with me. So maybe this will be something cool for me and her to do. If not, then, you know, maybe me and a friend can go. It's going to be out in Flint, and it's a week. So I'm going to have to find out exactly where it is so I can see exactly, you know, if I can drive out there every day, or if I need to stay in a hotel, or, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, or sleep in my truck or car or whatever it may be. You know what I'm saying? So shoot, man. Yeah, so this is pretty interesting. So I'm gonna give it a couple days, probably next week or sometime this week, and give them a call because it's good until June of next year. And yeah, two seats. So yeah, me and my wife, we can go, or me and a friend, or whatever. So let's see how this works out. So yeah, it's in Flint, Michigan at Mott Community College. And I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on that winning thing. So I could go in there, and I don't know if it's just like AC Cobras, because they do build AC Cobras. I did see a video on that, and I also seen a video of other different cars too, other kind of kit cars that they built. So I'm hoping we can do an AC Cobra, and I'm hoping we can film in it. From what I can see, we can take pictures and stuff. I haven't really found a video except for when they finished the car and they were test driving it. But then again, I'll look into it more and find out exactly what's going on. But winner chicken dinner, baby. Oh yeah, I'm digging this. So gift certificate from Mott Community College, Factory 5 Build School. It's a $1,898 value. Two seats in our build school. Yeah, this is awesome, man. So we're gonna check into it more and find out what it is. But yeah, winner chicken dinner, man. That's what we got going on, baby. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them to come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Yeah, buddy.